Hey Siri, how not to miss any future iCamron videos?
Just go ahead and click on the bell button to be notified. Enjoy!
What's up fam, my name is Cameron and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an awesome video for you guys. We're going to go ahead and explore the world of GitHub. We're going to create our first project today, just a little hello world project. GitHub is useful for so many reasons, which I'll explain in a later video. So what you want to do is create your account on github.com. And once you create your account, you might need to verify an email address or two. You're going to want to start a new project. So a repository is usually used to organize a single project. Repositories can contain folders and files, images, videos, spreadsheets, you name it. I recommend including a README or a file with information about your project. GitHub makes it easy to add one at the time you create your new repository. Your Hello World repository can be a place where you store ideas, resources, and even share and discuss things with others. Leave a little short description of what it's going to be. Here you can choose if it's public or private, and go ahead and initialize with a README. So now that we created a repository, we're going to create a branch. Branching is the way to work on different versions of a repository at one time. By default, your repository has one branch named master, which is considered to be the definitive branch. We use branches to experiment and make edits before committing them to the master. When you create a branch off the master branch, you're making a copy or like a snapshot, basically of that master as it was at that point in time. If someone else made changes to the master branch while you are working on your branch, you could pull in those updates. This diagram shows the master branch, a new branch called feature because we're doing feature work on this branch, and the journey that feature takes before it's merged into master. So to create a new branch, go to your repository Hello World, and then click the drop down at the top of the file that says branch master. Type a branch name, and then select the create branch. Now you have two branches, master and readme edits. They look exactly the same, but not for long. We're going to add changes to the next branch. Now here we can make some edits. On GitHub, saved changes are called commits. Each commit has an associated commit message, which is a description explaining why a particular change was made. Commit messages capture the history of your changes so other contributors can understand what you've done and why. So we're going to click the README file, and then we're going to click the little pencil icon here in the upper right hand corner. Now in here, just write a little bit about yourself. Okay, now once you're done typing, we're going to hit the commit changes button after we give it a description and a title. You're going to hit commit directly to the README edits branch. These changes will be made to just the README file on your README-edits branch. So now this branch contains content that's different from the master branch. So now that you have changes in a branch off of master, you can open a pull request. Pull requests are the heart of collaboration on GitHub. When you open a pull request, you're proposing your changes and requesting that someone review and pull in your contribution and merge them into their branch. Pull requests show diffs, or differences, of the content from both branches. The changes, additions, and subtractions are shown in green and red. As soon as you make a commit, you can open a pull request and start a discussion, even before the code is finished. You can even open pull requests in your own repository and merge them yourself. It's a great way to learn the GitHub flow before working on larger projects. So what we're going to do is go to the master branch. Now go to pull request. Now we're going to do a new pull request. Now what we're going to pull from is the README edits. Now here it shows the green, this is what was added, and we're going to create the pull request. So basically give it a title and give it a little description and then create pull request. In this final step, it's time to bring your changes together, merging your pull request into the master branch. So basically all you do is click the merge request, click confirm merge, and then you can go ahead and delete the branch since its changes have been incorporated with the delete branch button in the purple box. And if you did happen to accidentally do it, you can restore it right here as well. So hooray, you've just created your first pull request on GitHub. So here's what we accomplished today. We created an open source repository, we started and managed a new branch, we changed a file and committed those changes to GitHub, and we opened and merged a pull request. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below telling me what you did and what you didn't like. Leave a like on this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification there to make sure you get notified of when I upload. I'll see you guys next time. Later, fam.